In the vast world of tech conglomerates, few companies possess the reach and influence of Tencent, a multifaceted Chinese giant. With its fingers in a dizzying array of pies, from social media to gaming to fintech, Tencent has silently yet assuredly spread its influence both within China and globally. Here, we delve deep into the empire of Tencent, understanding its origins, expansive portfolio, and its impact on the global tech landscape. Origins and early days. Founded in 1998 by Ma Huateng, commonly known as Pony Ma, and Zhang Jidong in the southern Chinese city of Shenzhen, Tencent began as a modest venture. Its first product, an instant messaging service named QQ, gained rapid popularity in China. With this initial success, Tencent established itself as a prominent player in China's then nascent internet industry, but QQ was only the beginning. Recognizing the immense potential of the digital age, Tencent ventured into various other domains, gradually building its empire. Diverse portfolio. More than just QQ WeChat, Tencent's real game-changer came in the form of WeChat, launched in 2011. Originally a messaging app, WeChat quickly evolved into a super app, integrating various services like social media, payments, e-commerce, and even ride-hailing. With over 1 billion monthly active users, it's not an exaggeration to say WeChat has become an integral part of daily life in China. Gaming. Tencent has a dominating presence in the gaming industry. They own Riot Games, the company behind the wildly successful League of Legends. They also have substantial stakes in other major gaming companies, including Epic Games, Activision Blizzard, and Supercell. In essence, many of the world's most popular games are in some way connected to Tencent. Fintech. Tencent's WeChat Pay competes neck-to-neck with Alibaba's Alipay in China's digital payments space. Beyond simple peer-to-peer transfers, WeChat Pay facilitates transactions for everything from utility bills to street food vendors. Investments. Tencent's investment portfolio is nothing short of astounding. They've invested in over 800 companies, spanning different sectors, from e-commerce giants like JD.com to ride-sharing platforms like Didi Chuxing. Entertainment. From music streaming services to film production, Tencent is a behemoth in the entertainment industry. With Tencent Music Entertainment Group and Tencent Pictures, the company has its sights set on dominating both audio and visual entertainment realms. Global footprint. While its dominance in China is evident, Tencent's influence is not confined within Chinese borders. The company has been on an international investment spree, acquiring stakes in numerous startups and established companies worldwide. From the US to Europe, India to Southeast Asia, Tencent's investments underscore its ambitions to be a global powerhouse. Concerns and criticisms. However, Tencent's meteoric rise and extensive reach have not been without concerns. The company's close ties to the Chinese government have been a source of apprehension for many. Concerns over data privacy, censorship, and surveillance have cast a shadow over Tencent's otherwise impressive achievements. In the international arena, this connection to the Chinese government has sometimes posed challenges. Regulatory bodies in various countries have scrutinized Tencent's investments, apprehensive of the influence and control that might be exerted through them. Future outlook. Despite challenges and concerns, Tencent's growth trajectory shows no signs of waning. The company continues to explore new avenues, from frontier technologies like artificial intelligence and quantum computing to innovative solutions in health tech and education. Furthermore, Tencent's strategy of investing in promising startups across the globe ensures it remains at the forefront of innovation. By embedding itself into the fabric of the global tech ecosystem, Tencent can glean insights, trends, and opportunities from different markets and sectors. Tencent's story is emblematic of China's rise in the digital age. From its humble beginnings in Shenzhen, the company has emerged as a global tech titan with unparalleled influence. Its vast portfolio, spanning social media, gaming, fintech, and more, stands testimony to its vision and ambition. Yet, as with all giants, Tencent's journey is fraught with challenges. Concerns over its ties to the Chinese government, potential monopolistic behavior, and the ethical implications of its vast data collection are issues it will continue to grapple with. Regardless, there's no denying that Tencent's impact on the tech landscape, both within China and globally, is profound. As the digital age continues to unfold, Tencent's role in shaping its trajectory will undoubtedly be pivotal. Tencent's innovative spirit is not only limited to its current operations and investments. The conglomerate continually seeks to pioneer breakthroughs in the realm of technolo,